I'm Randa.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Whirlies.
If you need to blow up some brush on your property, the Brush Rover is your tool of choice. We had these large clumps of California grass in our yard, and the Brush Rover just drove right over and knocked those babies right out.
The four-wheel drive capability allowed me to navigate the very, very dense clumps of grass without any issue. I was very impressed.
The Brush Rover, highly maneuverable, and it can do the toughest jobs on any farm or any commercial project you might have. I was especially impressed of the size of material that it could cut down and keep on moving. Its four-wheel drive allowed me to go up hills, go down slopes, no problem. If you have a tough job, if you have a lot of brush on your property that involves you getting into compact spaces, the Brush Rover, that's your best bet.